Now I add slicer to analyze sales data. Click on any chart. Click Analyze. Click Insert Slicer. I add 3 slicer in this sheet. Check month, category and products. Click OK. Select month slicer at this position. Select product slicer at this position. Select category slicer at this position. Now I change the style of each slicer. First select this slicer. Select this style. Then select this slicer. Select this style. Then select this slicer. Select this style. Right click on this slicer. Click Slicer Setting. Hide items with no data. Now I connect a slicer to the data table. First I connect this slicer to the data table. Right click on slicer. Click Report Connections. Do not select all pivot tables to the slicer. I select pivot table number 3, 5, 2 and 1. Click OK. Now I select this slicer to the data table. Right click on this slicer. Click Report Connections. Select this table and these two tables. Click OK. Now right click on this slicer. Click Report Connections. Select this table and this table. Click OK. Now I can analyze sales data by using these 3 slicers. Select month January. All the charts in this sheet are dynamically changing. The value of revenue is also changed. Select month May. I have connected 4 charts to this slicer. These charts are changing. The value of revenue is also changing. Select month October. The value of total revenue in the month of October is $1,096. Now select jeans. The selected pivot charts with this slicer are changed. So data is dynamically changing. Deselect all slicer. In this way, dashboard is created in Excel and data can be analyzed by using pivot charts and slicers.